Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will be cooking pork mushroom. This is one of my go-to recipes on my lazy days. In a cooking pan, put an oil. We will saute the garlic and the onion. Please check the description box below for the complete list of ingredients. Once the onion becomes translucent, we will add the ground pork. Add a little bit of water and let it boil until the color of the pork turns brown. Add ground black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And let it boil for 30 seconds. Since now that the pork has all the flavors needed, we can now add the mushrooms. Put the lid on and let it boil until the mushrooms absorb the flavors. Check and add water as needed. At this point, it's pretty much done. We just need to taste it and add salt as needed. Our dish is now ready. You can serve it with salad or rice. This is also a good alternative for taco salad. I hope you like this recipe and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Until next time, bye!